Just wait until you see what I have to show you today. If you have a machine like this and you ever find yourself in some of those less fortunate circumstances that are normally self-induced, you have got to check this out. They have somehow put everything that you need as an ATV winch right here in this suitcase. Open it up. Here's going to be your winch. This is the 4,500 pound model. You've got your corded remote control with your in and your out right here, but it gets better. There's the wireless in and out. That way you can actually be in the driver's seat while you're winching on something. You've got your 2 straps to hook this onto the ATV with. I'll show you how to do that in a minute. You've got the pull strap, put on the tow hook with the fair lead, and there's also a couple of clevises in there. Right here, you're going to have your alligator clamps to go on your battery. This is self-contained and ready to pull anybody out of a ditch at any time. On the bottom, right here on the case, you've got the 2 pull pins. Just take your strap and hook it here, and then you'll be able to hook it on your ATV wherever you need it. Just take your strap, hook it on here, and then you're going to be able to hook it on the ATV on whatever point that you need to. Down here, you've got your Anderson fitting that you can use. Down here, you've got the quick connect with the jumper cable leads. That way you can hook it onto the battery to power the unit. And if you're going to use that wired remote, you're going to hook that up right out here. You've also got a couple of points right here on the front of it that you can use to hook those clevises and shackles on if you need to as well. If you guys want to pick one of these up, it's going to pay for itself the first time you pull yourself out of the ditch with it. I'll drop an orange shopping cart for you there at the bottom of the screen. That way you can.